Hello. My name is Quatechia and you are watching Quatechia Creates. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this gorgeous phone case. So I started off with some shoe charms and I purchased these specifically for this phone case. However, when I opened them up, they was just a little, I was less than impressed. And I didn't open them because I plan on returning them. However, I did purchase some previously. Now these shoe charms I actually purchased to wear on me and my daughter's Crocs. I purchased these off of Amazon and I absolutely love these, and I've had these for at least a good year, and as you can see, they're still very gorgeous and they're still very blingy. I'll be sure to leave that link down in the description box. Now if you know anything about me, you know that pink is my favorite color. So this pink luxe that I purchased from Crown Crystals is everything. Okay, so now that you see what I'm going to be using, let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to start off by putting on gloves. You don't need to put on gloves, but I just put on lotion, so I wasn't trying to get, you know, my lotion all over my project. And y'all, I also have this phone case that I purchased like a year ago. It's pretty sad how I just buy stuff and just hold on to it. But I always had plans of personalizing me a case. I just wasn't sure what exactly I wanted to do with the case. But isn't this phone case like pretty awesome? Like, this is what I'm needing, which is one of the reasons why I'm going ahead and doing this, because I actually do need to replace the case that is on my phone. To prepare our surface, I am just going to wipe it off with some 60% alcohol and a coffee filter. So you just want to wipe it all over. I just did the back of it and the sides because I'm going to bling all of that. Now y'all, look at that. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a beautiful mix created by Crystal of Crown Crystals, and it has resin rhinestones in here. There's jelly rhinestones. There is pearls. Like, it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Now y'all, I'm a little ashamed at how long it took for me to figure out which charms I was going to use on my phone case. So with the power of editing, we're going to speed right through that. After I decided which charms I was going to use, I went ahead and used my needle nose pliers. Does that sound right? And basically I just gripped it, pulled it, just wiggled it off. It's like glued on, so it wasn't that difficult. You just have to be careful and not scratch your charm. Now once all of the backs were removed, I just went in with my crystal glaze glue and applied it to the back of my charms. You might just apply as much as you can just to make sure that it does stick. But you don't want to do too much and have it sliding all over the place. And you can use whatever glue you choose to use. Nope, I'm going to take that back. You can't use whatever glue you want to use, because I used one glue once before and I believe it was like E6000. I might be wrong, but I think it was E6000. And it gave me the hardest time when it came time for me to try to remove the case off my phone. I couldn't get it off. Like, I had to cut the case off my phone, which sucks. But it doesn't matter because I had a different phone then anyway. Now I said all of that to say just be mindful of the glue that you choose to use and make sure that it's a heavy duty glue, but it's also flexible. Just don't make the same mistake as me. Now once your charms are dry, you can go ahead and start applying your rhinestones. Now my stones were not dry. I was just so excited to get started. I just got started. I applied some crystal glaze glue, which you did not see me apply in this first, situation. And I'm working on the area that is away from the charms just because I'm just so excited to get started. Now, if you're like me, you're probably trying to figure out how I'm picking up these stones with this pen. So it has a wax tip on it. This is a Crystal Katana. It has a wax tip on it, and the wax end is picking up the stones. Like, they just kind of stick to it. But then once you put it down in the glue, it just comes off. It's real easy. We are also using the scatter method. So with scatter mixes, they are different colors. There's different colors. There's different sizes, and yeah, there's different types of stones sometimes, and in this case there's pearls, there's jellies, and just your regular resin rhinestones, but in different, sizes. Now once I was done with that corner, I just slowly started working my way towards the charms. And I made certain to get stones really close to the charms because I kind of want to help like secure the charms in place also, if that makes sense. Just give it, some extra support. And you guys, if you're unaware, with the scatter method, there's no true rhyme or reason as to how you place your stones, where you place your stones, which stones you place next. You just pick up your stones and you place them down into your glue. Like, it's very simple, and I kind of like it. I like it a lot, I'm not gonna lie. When I first started working with the scatter method, I guess stressed myself out. Like, I thought about it too hard. I really tried to fill in every single space. Like, it was kind of more like a puzzle, but like, like one of those 5,000 piece puzzles that I was trying to assemble. And it's really not that serious, guys. Like, it really doesn't matter. Like, you can have space. Like, it's okay to have space within your stones. It's okay. Those who love the scatter method are not the ones that are stressing about the gaps in between their stones. Like, it's just a part of the pattern. You could base paint your surface, but I didn't want to base paint it. Like, I wanted my clear to come through. My phone is like rose gold. Like, I wanted that coming through. The case by itself is absolutely gorgeous, but with my phone it's even more gorgeous because I have a rose gold phone. Now, when I initially set out to bling this Bedazzle, this phone case, I didn't really know if I was going to do the size or whatever, but I decided to do it after I finished back. So that is what I'm doing now, and probably have been doing the last 3 minutes that I've been talking. But just be careful if you do your sides to not cover up like your volume buttons and your like the little holes that I guess are for like keeping the phone from like overheating. I'm guessing that's what they're for. I don't know, like mic stuff, I don't know. Just don't cover up all of that other stuff. Just be careful of what you're bedazzling. Once your case has fully cured, you can clean it off with some soap and water. And this is what my case looked like without the phone in it. And this is what it looks like with my phone. Isn't it gorgeous? And you guys, that is it for now. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. You can follow me on all these social media platforms. Until next time, bye-bye.